Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I would like to talk to you about Airbus because today news came out that Emirates was going to buy 50 A350s from Airbus. Obviously, these kinds of orders kind of take a few years to complete, but obviously very good news for Airbus, and I figured I'd have a look and see, first of all, how they were impacted by the whole Boeing fiasco, I guess is the best way to put it, and if Airbus is worth a purchase at this time. So what they do is they build airplanes just like Boeing does, and they have a few other ventures, but not really anything that brings a huge amount of revenue in. Current price is just under $150, which gives the market cap of $115 billion. Dividend is 0, and I don't expect that to change anytime soon. Clearly, if they haven't done that yet, they probably won't ever. So don't hold your breath on that one. Revenue $64 billion, earnings $3 billion, which gives them a PE of 34. So the revenue in the trailing 12 month is far better than the revenue last year. It's about 69 million with about the same earnings. So I don't think that it really matters to go into those numbers real quick, but it's just something to take a note of. Total assets $115 billion, total liabilities $105 billion, which gives them total stockholders' equity of $9.7 billion, which is down from 13.5-ish. So that's definitely not going in the right direction, but earnings of $3 billion is pretty nice. So overall, I would say that clearly dividend investors are out at this point, and growth investors, with a company this big and an order literally taking years to fill, I don't think any growth investor wants to invest in this either. For the value investor, there's many good things to be said. Number one is safety of principal is pretty much guaranteed, because a company this big, this old, this strong, and with really only one competitor, and they've pretty much split the world market in half and have for decades, I really don't think that they're going anywhere anytime soon. The problem is, I think the PE is a little too rich for a company that doesn't really have a huge amount of growth and that doesn't pay a dividend. So to sum that all up, I don't think that really anyone should buy Airbus at this price. I would say that I would probably buy it for $100-ish, more of a safety of principle kind of thing. Also, obviously, there is still huge growth in the market as a whole. It's just very slow. So I would say for $100, I would probably open a small position, but at the current price, with the current revenue and the current growth, I don't think I'll be buying it right now. So that's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.